everyone, it's Hanny. I do a flip through of this journal and I called it Ducky. And well, I put it in my Etsy shop and I thought let's do a little flip through and show you what's included. The journal is 13 and a half by 21 centimeters or 5 1/4 by 8 1/4 inch. It has 112 pages, 4 signatures with 7 sheets. That makes a 28 multiply 4, and then you get 112 pages. All kinds of well, coffee dyed papers, book papers, handmade papers, grit, vintage, ledger, whatever. I show you. It's tea dyed, and this is grit paper, transparent grit paper, handmade paper, book papers, wallpaper, book papers. There's the handmade paper again. All kinds of vintage papers, vintage book papers. This is a very old one. I don't know what happened with this, but it's so old you can't flip it back again. Book pages, coffee dyed papers with lace, wallpaper again, handmade paper again, doily. All the pages you can pull them out. They are loose. It's a twine binding and you can pull all the pages out. You can use them in a different way if you want to and put in your own papers. This is well, it's not real leather, but it's leatherish. Stuff. Oh, this is eco-dyed paper. Metal book corners and metal closure thingy with ribbon. And this is very vintage. Yeah, don't know what exactly you call it, but you could do it on clothes, I think. This is the binding. I didn't do anything in the journal. It's a plain journal, and I put all the ephemera embellishments in here. There are, well, about 50, sorry, and all kinds of stuff. Tickets, not real tickets. Little photographs. Here is another ticket. All kinds of playing cards. Coca-Cola card. Walt Disney card, an old one. A few plain tags and other ephemera. Bingo card, another photo, and a bridge, and vintage bridge sheet card. I got a comment from a lady. I don't know her name and I don't know where again, but she found me very clumsy. Well, I am, sorry. I am clumsy. Clumsy in talking English and clumsy in doing things sometimes. But yeah, hey, that's me. A belly band. I made all these things myself. A specimen card, little envelope with a closure. Well, embellishments to glue in your journal or on a card or whatever. A little memo book, booklet, a page corner, a folks ticket, and journaling cards, an altered playing card. This is a pocket, I think, or a journaling card. A little envelope, journaling cards, tags, journaling card, a pocket, a crochet buttons, little tag, another tag, and a woven pocket. And here is our two pockets with little tags in it. Well, that's it. I hope you like the journal, and thank you for watching. Bye.